Good morning, everybody. In this session, I'm going to tell you about matrices. This session includes meaning, types, algebra of matrices, and properties. Now, what is matrix? It means rectangular arrangement of elements in rows and columns. Rows means what? It means horizontal line. Column means what? Vertical line. Cleared? Now, we represent matrix in capital letters like here A, B, C, like that in capital letters only. Clear? Okay. Now, here M for rows, N for columns. Clear? Now, what is the order of matrix? It means it is a product of number of rows into number of columns. Clear? M into N. Here, what is the order of this matrix? How many rows are there? 3. How many columns are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 columns are there. So, order of matrix is 3 to 3 matrix. Clear? Okay. Next, for example, any element in a matrix, we represent it by generally A, I, J. Okay. I means rows, element present in I row and element present in J column. It means, for example, here I write A1, 2. Okay, A1, 2. A1, 2 means what? Element present in rows place first row. Okay, now first row. Okay, column second. It means 5. Element is 5. Clear? And another example. For example, A3, 2. Okay, which is the element? Now, third row, second column, 1, 2. It means 6. Clear? Okay, another example. Okay, A23. It means second row, third column, 9. Element is 9. Cleared? Okay. Types of matrix. Okay. First one is row matrix. What is the meaning of row matrix? It means matrix with single row. For example, 1 matrix, I'm giving name A is equal to 1, 2. It means it is having single row. Okay. columns. For example, giving B 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. up to n. It means how many rows is there? Only one row. Columns 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n columns are there. Irrespective of column, row should be only one. This is known as row matrix. Likewise, what is column matrix? Here, only single column should be there. For example, I'm giving capital C matrix is equal to only one column. It means from 1, 5, 6. Okay, here only one column. How many rows are there? 3 rows are there. Clear? Okay, in general, we represent this matrix is m rows are there, but column should be only one. Clear? Okay. Next, zero or null matrix. It means element in this matrix are zero. Example, here matrix is there, but all the element present in this matrix is zero. For example, another matrix. How many elements are there? That should be 0. This is called as 0 or null matrix. This matrix we can represent it by O. Clear? Okay. Next, square matrix. It means square means what? All sides are equal, right? Here also it is looking like a square. It means matrix with equal number of rows and equal number of columns. For example, if a matrix is having 2 rows, it should be have 2 columns. Then only we call this matrix as square matrix. For example, if a matrix has 5 rows, it should be have 5 columns only. Then only we call this matrix as a square matrix. Example for this is, for example, 1, 1, 5. Okay. Here 1, 0, 1, 0, 2, 1. How many rows are there for this? 1, 2, 3, right? How many columns are there? 1, 2, 3. Rows are 3, columns also 3. This is known as square matrix. Now, before going to diagonal matrix, I'm telling about principal diagonal now. I'm writing square matrix here. Okay. This is a square matrix. In a square matrix, the diagonal from left to right, this is known as principal diagonal. The elements Here 1, 8, 2 are called as diagonal elements. Cleared? Now, what is the meaning of diagonal matrix? It means here, for example, this is a square matrix also, and here diagonal elements are 1, 2. Diagonal matrix means except diagonal elements, all the other elements should be 0. This is a example for diagonal matrix. Clear? Okay. Here, what are the diagonal elements? 1, 8, 2. Now, this is a square matrix. If it is a diagonal matrix, means all the other elements should be 0. It other than diagonal elements, all the other will be 0. Cleared? Okay. Now, what is scalar matrix? Scalar matrix means here 4, 4, 4, I'm writing a matrix here, 8, 0, 0, 0, 8, 0, 0, 0, and 8. Here, it is also a diagonal matrix. Why? Because except diagonal elements, all the other elements are 0, right? And diagonal elements are equal, 8, 8, 8, or else any other number, 4, 4, 4. Diagonal element should be same. Clear? This is known as scalar matrix. Now, what is the meaning of unit matrix? Unit matrix is nothing but it is also a square matrix. It is also a diagonal matrix. It is also a scalar matrix. Here, diagonal elements should be equal to 1. This is known as unit matrix. See here. Cleared? Okay. Now, algebra of matrix. What it means? Doing mathematical operations on elements according to certain rules. First one is equality of matrix. If two matrices are said to be equal only if their order and corresponding elements should be same. Okay, for example, I am having here A matrix, here B matrix. Now, for example, A matrix is 4, 1, 1, 0. Okay, what is the order of this matrix? There are 2 rows and 2 columns. So, order of matrix should be 2 into 2. Now, if A is equal to B means its order should be same. This matrix should be 2 into 2 matrix only. Okay. And elements corresponding to A matrix. One is here 4 is there. Here also 4. Here 1 is there. 1. 1, 0 is there. In second row 1, 0 is there. Now we can say A matrix is equal to B matrix. Clear? Okay. Next one is scalar multiplication. For example, I'm taking a matrix A. Okay, A matrix is equal to, same example I'm taking, 4 1 1 0. Scalar multiplication means if this is a matrix, I'm multiplying it with k. Okay, now I'm multiplying it with k. What I'm going to get, for every element I should multiply with k only. What I'm going to get, 4k, 1 into k, k, 1 into k, k, k into 0, 0. Now this is known as scalar multiplication and it is a scalar product. Clear? We can replace k by any number. Okay? If I replace k with, for example, I'm replacing it with 2. Now scalar element is 2. I'm going to multiply for this matrix, same matrix, 4 1 1 0. What I'm getting? Answer is 2 into 8, 4, 8, 2 into 2, 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 0, 0. This is known as scalar product. Cleared? Okay. Next, addition of matrix. If two matrices we can add means if it is having same order and that element should be added to corresponding elements only. Cleared? Okay, for example, 1 4 1 2. Okay, another matrix is, this is we call it as A matrix. B matrix is there, that must be of same order to add. B matrix should be same order, it means 2 into 2 matrix only. For example, 1 0 2 3. Now A plus B is equal to, we have to add corresponding element only. 1 is there, here also 1 is there. 1 plus 1. Here 4 is there, here 0 is there. 4 plus 0. Here 1 is there, 2 is there. So 1 plus 2. Here 2 is there, here 3 is there. Should be 2 plus 3. Now, what is the answer? Here, addition of matrix means 1 plus 1 is 2, 4 plus 0 is 4, 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 plus 3 is 5. This is known as addition of matrix. Same as it is subtraction of matrix. What it means? It means we can subtract the matrix when they are having same orders and corresponding elements we have to subtract. For example, I'm taking these example only. Now you have to tell me what will we get after subtracting A minus B. Okay. That is equal to, I'm writing direct answer here. 1 minus 1, 0. Here 4 minus 0, 4. 1 minus 2, minus 1. 2 minus 3, it is again minus 1. Cleared? This is known as subtraction of matrix. Now, properties of matrix. There are three matrices here. One is X, Y, Z, whose order is same. Okay, order same means if, for example, X is having 2 rows, 2 column, Y is also having 2 rows and 2 column. Clear? If we add X plus Y, X matrix and Y matrix, or we are adding Y matrix plus X matrix, there is no change. Okay, for example, I'm writing here, simple example I'm going to write. This will apply for all the elements. 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, this is X matrix. Y matrix is same order should be there. 1, 1, 2, 1. Okay. Now, I'm going to add X plus Y. It means X plus Y, 1 plus 1. We are going to get 1. Now, 0, here 1. 1. And I'm going to get 1 plus 2, 3. Now 1 plus 1, 2. This is X plus Y. Okay. Now I'm trying for Y plus X. Here what I'm going to get? First 1 plus 1. Sorry, here I wrote 1, no? It should be 1 plus 1, 2. Here Y plus X, 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 0, 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 1 plus 1, clear? Here X plus Y and Y plus X are same. Clear? Okay. You can try for associative matrix, associative also. Matrix addition is associative. You have to take X, Y, Z as the same order matrix and you have to add. First you have to add Y plus Z, later X plus Y plus Z. Here first you have to add X plus Y, then with Z. Now, if order of matrix X and O is M is to N, it means there are two matrices there. One is 0 matrix, one is X matrix. I'm taking X as 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. 0 matrix order should be same means here the order is 2 into 2 matrix. I'm taking null matrix with order 2 into 2. Now same thing, X plus 0 matrix, or you have to add 0 matrix with X, you are going to get X matrix only. Clear? Okay. Next, scalar multiplication is distributive. For example, here scalar is K. Here X matrix is there, here Y matrix is there. I'm taking 1 as a scalar Okay, I'm going to multiply with, first I'm going to do k, x plus y is already there, so x plus y is 2, 1, 3, 2, 2, 1, 3, 2. K I'm taking as 1. So again multiply 1 with this x plus y matrix. I'm going to get 2, 1, 3, 2. Now I'm multiplying. Here I'm taking scalar 1 now. I'm multiplying x matrix with 1. It's going to give same as x. It is going to give 1, 0, 1, 1. I'm multiplying y matrix 1, 1, 2, 1 with scalar 1. I'm going to get the same 1, 1, 2, 1. K, kx here because I'm taking 1 as a scalar. So kx and x are same. Scalar ky and y is same because I'm taking 1 as a scalar. Now after adding, I'm going to get 2, 1, 3, 2. Now answer is, if we add two matrices of same order, then we are multiplying with a scalar that is equal to, if we multiply with a scalar, then adding two matrices is same. We are going to get same result. Thank you.